Hi, I'm Ethan Bruce. I'm a senior, and I've been on the team all 4 years.
My name is Shabalik Crick. I'm a senior, and I've been on the bowling team for 4 years.
My name is Piper Gillen. I'm a senior, and I've been on the bowling team for 3 years.
My name is Jenna Mumford. I'm a senior, and I've been on the team for 2 years.
My name is Jeff Shaw. I am the first year high school boys bowling coach. We got a young team this year. We have 1 senior and a lot of underclassmen, so we're moving along, we're getting better.
Hi, my name is Josh Goff, the girls bowling coach in Celina. We have a big team with 17 girls this year and 3 seniors. We're a very exciting team, a lot of energy, a lot of passion out of these kids. They bring it each and every time out. Come on out to Plaza Lane, travel down to Dayton and Columbus with us, and see what we got.
We're the Celina Girls Bowling Team.
We're the Celina Boys Bowling Team.
Go Dogs!
Go Dogs!
Go Celina Bulldogs!
Go Dogs!
Go Dogs!
Go Dogs!